Hi guys, hello, welcome once again to my channel. To those of you that are new, I am Susanita Efe. First of all, I just want to quickly say thank you guys so much for taking your time to watch all my Ghana vlogs. From the first upload to the last upload, you guys have been so amazing. You leave wonderful comments, you take your time to watch the video, you don't just leave nice video, beautiful vlog. You guys, you watch the video and then you leave me very wonderful comments. I really appreciate you guys. And hey, if you have not seen my Ghana vlogs videos, check them. I'll be leaving the links down below in the description. For those of you that are super new to my channel and you're wondering what my channel is all about, on my channel I do makeup videos, beauty videos, lifestyle. Sometimes your girl is an entertainer. I drop some random entertainment videos. So if this is your thing, make sure you click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, so whenever I upload a video, you will be notified. Well, let's jump right into today's video. So you guys, today's video is all about these lashes right here. Yes, you can see I have them on already. Well, you guys, this company reached out to me and they asked me to do a review of their product. I'm so proud of this young lady. I'm so proud of this woman. I'm going to leave the link to her channel and the link to her website down below. Anyways, Miss Beauty Collection did not pay me for this video. They just sent me these beautiful lashes for free to do a review. And you guys, I don't even have to say too much. I know you guys, you can see already, like these lashes, they are fantastic. I'm going to definitely brofu English. I will be definitely, you guys, sometimes it's okay. I know I will be getting more of those lashes because honestly I really love the lashes. It's not heavy. The packaging, you guys, like come on now. You know, there's some packaging when you hold them you're like, this is quality. Well, you guys, I'm going to leave the link, like I said before, in the description box below, and make sure you go grab one for yourself. It's not expensive, it's not pricey. It's something that you're going to enjoy. And as I have the lashes on right now, honestly you guys, it's not heavy. You have some lashes that you wear them and then it's like you are carrying like 3-story buildings on your eyes. These lashes are so light and sexy and beautiful. I know you guys will be wondering, you want to see how I was able to achieve this look. Calm down, relax, we are going to get there. Now, since you want to see how I was able to achieve this look, to the tutorial now. I've already done my eyebrows off camera, so we are just going to continue with the look. I'll be using the Benefit Eye Cream to set my eyelid properly. I'm just blending that in to make sure that my eyelid is moist and soft. I'm going in with a MAC Studio Fix Concealer. This is in the shade NC43. I'm just going to blend that in from the inner to the outer corner of my eyes. Next, I'm going in with my PS Berry Edition eyeshadow palette. I'm just taking a transition color and blending that in properly just as a base for my other eyeshadows. I'm taking another darker eyeshadow I'm applying that just slightly above my crease. I'm just making sure that there are no harsh lines between the two eyeshadows that I've already used. Next, I'm going in with Melted Chrome eyeshadow from Essence as well as my pigment primer. I'm just mixing that to cut my crease. You guys, as you can see, I'm trying to cut my crease right there and it's not easy. Now I'm going in with this Midnight Mauves eyeshadow palette. I'm taking a darker shade to smoke the outer corner of my eyes. I'm just dragging that out a little bit. Now I'm taking this color right here to blend the upper part of my crease. I just want to make sure that part is a little bit dark. I'm just blending that in nicely. I'm taking a clean brush. I'm just using a clean brush to like blend that out. The eyeshadow that I applied initially, I'm just blending it out. I'm not using any other eyeshadow. I'm just using a clean brush to blend it nicely. So you can see it's neat and clean. Next, I'm using the Romantic Beauty Gel Eyeliner. I'm just applying that underneath my waterline, just around my waterline. To line my eyes, I'm using the Manhattan Dip Eyeliner. That's what I'm using to line my eyes. You guys, all the products I used in this video, I'm going to list them in the description below. Anyways, this is the MS Beauty lashes, and you guys, you know, this is the reason we are recording this video. So here you have it. I really like these lashes, and I'm definitely going to get more for myself. To prime my face, I'll be using a Catrice Cosmetic Face Primer. To color correct, I'll be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is the orange corrector. That's what I'll use to color correct. Still on color correcting, I'm going to use the black Opal Stick Foundation in the shade Hazelnut. For foundation, I'm using MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation in the shade NC44. I don't even know what I'm doing, you guys. It's really interesting. Well, it's time for blending, and you don't want to rush up when you are blending. Take your time to blend. To highlight, I'll be using the MAC Studio Fix Fluid Concealer, the one I use around my brow area, and this is in the shade NC43. As I'm blending that out, I'm just dragging it a little bit to the outer corner of my eye. I'm taking my time to blend all in because no need to rush. You don't want to rush. Take your time. For contour, I'm using a black Opal Stick Foundation. This is the same one I used to add to the corrector. So this one is in the shade Hazelnut. Like I said before, everything I used in this video, I'm going to leave them in the description below, so you might want to check it out. I'm just taking my time to blend, you guys. When it comes to makeup, blending is key. I'm using a smaller brush to go in the inner corner of my nose. I'm blending it out gently towards the outer corner of my nose. Well, it's time for setting, you guys. I am using the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. That's what I'll be using to set my face today, and I'm just applying that underneath my eye, my forehead, all the parts that I initially used the concealer to highlight. That's where I'm applying the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. Next, I'm going in with my favorite Fair Up palette. You guys, I really love this palette. I'm just using that also to go in around my contour lines. So I'm just blending. I'm taking my time to blend out the powder, the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. I'm just blending that out. I really don't want it to cake for too long, so I'm blending it out already. To set my entire face, I'm using the Milani powder palette just to go all over my face. To highlight my face, I'm using the Mimax Makeup Blush number D04 Coral. I'm just going to apply that around my cheekbone, a little bit around my chin. I'll be adding more to my forehead, as well as the tip of my nose. I'm just going to blend that out. Underneath my eye, I'm just adding a little bit of brown eyeshadow. I'm adding more of the Mimax makeup blush. I'm adding it around my brow bone. I'm just blending a little bit there, as you can see, just to give my eyes some definition. The mascara I'm using is from Rimmel, and this is the Rimmel Scandaleyes Retro Glam Mascara. To line my lips, I'm using Academy of Color Lip Liner. I really like this lip liner, you guys. I would say it's one of the best lip liner that I have so far, and it's very cheap. If you are in Germany, you can get this from Woolworth. For lipstick, I'm also using the Academy of Color Matte Liquid Lipstick. This is really gorgeous. Honestly, I really love this red lipstick. I didn't know it would turn out so nice. Yes, it did. Beautiful. I like it. Around my neck area, I'm just going to add a little bit of Sleek Makeup Luminous Pressed Powder, just to give it a little bit of shine and glow. And to set my entire face, I'm using the Essence Body and Hair Shimmer Spray. You guys, you must get this if you are a makeup artist. It's very cheap and it looks gorgeous. There you go. You guys, this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I love you guys. See you in my next video.
Like an angel in the morning, shooting star across the night, the most beautiful girl I've seen in all my life. Every second spent with you, it's like a day that starts brand new.